everybody, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be playing Animal Jam. So, this is my, like 10th time playing this. If you don't, for those who out there that don't know this game, it's about, it's like this learning game kind of, but it's kind of fun. It's fun mixed in with learning, and it's about this game where you customize an animal, and you go around and do normal stuff like go to shops, customize your character, make a house, or a den as they call it. Okay, so I guess let's get into it. You probably didn't know this, but this is my sister right here, and I'll leave her channel down in the description. We are gonna make a video of Animal Jam and upload it to her account soon, so yeah. Let's get into it, I guess, again. Okay, guys, let's play a game, I guess. Since there's, like, nothing to do in this game. This is my absolute favorite game. Yeah, I love this game. So, yeah, it's about this horse, you jump over stuff and blah, blah, blah. I feel this right now. I'm cool. Cool with the dude. Really cool. I'm super cool. I'm the coolest here. It's kind of scary, like, I didn't get ready. I didn't press the, it must have been my mouse. I hate when that happens. Like, literally, I would go up to something, and then it would tap it. Like, seriously? It would tap it automatically or something, whatever. Oh, it's very frustrating, this game. Well, for me, I guess. Oh, yeah. I usually come in second or first or third. So cool. So cruel. I hate when this happens. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no, I hate when that happens. You can't jump in the wherever you're in. If you speed up, you can like barely like jump. You can jump farther when you're not speeding, but you can barely jump. So I guess that was. We'll play another round, and then we'll do another game, I guess. Okay. I just feel so awkward. I just feel so awkward. Okay. Hey, he passed me. Do you know what happens if you pass me? How do I say it again? If you pass me. Okay, on to the next game, let's play bowling, I guess. Join me! Join. Okay, that was super fast. Oh. At least I got some. Last time I did this, I got like 9 pins. Oh, I forgot it was still my turn. I forgot the rules of bowling. Like I forgot the rules of bowling. Okay, hurry up. Don't you see I'm recording here? Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Ugh. I hate when this happens. You know, I'm quitting. I'm so quitting. Okay, now we're gonna try and get some furniture because I need more furniture, obviously. Okay, so, ooh, they have it in red. That is past the red. Is that? Oh, yeah. Bye. I think that was red. If that wasn't, I'm dead. Let's see. I'm good. Okay, what is this? Oh, okay. Again, let's do something else, I guess, because I have enough furniture. Yeah, I have enough furniture. Don't judge me. Okay, now we're in an aquarium. Yeah, we're in an aquarium. There's a game. I want to play a game. What is it? It's a touch pull, I guess. Touch. Yay! Add to lava, yes. Okay, add to lava. Oh, yeah, I need that. Touch, 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 touch. What do I need to do? Guess I can't get that. Can I get this? No. Wait, can I? No. What can I touch? Oh, can I touch this? Oh, can I touch this? Yeah. I wanna touch that. I wanna touch that. Yay! That's a log. I'm not reading anything. You know, I came here to have fun and learn. I just finished school. Come on. Add to log. Nope. Okay, I'm done. So done. Someone join me. Join. Oh. Join me. Join me. Oh, okay. Join me. Really. Join me. Come on. Join me. Oh, okay. Rock. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna pick rock again? Yeah, rock. Yes! Okay. Now I'm gonna pick this one. Okay. I won? Did I win? I won! Woohoo! What game is this? Oh, what? What do you want me to? Oh, okay. I'll be your buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Where did he go? He's gone. He's cool. Look, he looks cool. I'm gonna friend with him. Okay, guys. So, yeah. This is a rough day. Bye, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of Animal Jam, and comment if you want to see more of my Animal Jam videos. Yeah. So anyways, bye guys. Peace out.